lemonade and Lavender Popsicles. You need lemonade and lavender syrup. Then you need a straw. And then we have to drink it. Yummy. And then we're making Lavender Popsicles. You will need to get a popsicle mold.
So we need to use a funnel to pour everything in. Can you put a funnel in the molds?
And then we add this. Lavender, lemonade. More lavender syrup. And we put the photos on top. And now we put it in the freezer. It's ready. Let's take them out. And now it's time to eat them.
We're running cold water over the mold to break the popsicle loose.
I'm gonna slide the mold off of it.
What does it taste like?
Lavender. Bye. 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 Don't forget to subscribe.